Well, you guys were sleeping. I got up early and hid the scavenger hunt. So you're gonna look for this object. I hid a bunch of these around the park. So you gotta find them. Whoever can find the most, you can just use your baskets, but whoever finds the most wins. What do we win? You'll find out if you win. When someone wins. Now start. Ooh, here's one. Ooh, there's one over there. Yeah. I'm the one for sure. Ooh, there's one up there. Uh. Oh, I really need to go to the bathroom. I really want to win. I really want to win to get this prize. Ooh, ha! There they are. Why did she put so many there? Can't pull. Miss. What? Come here. What? What happened? Are you alright? I was trying to get all of those and I fell. Would you like to sit this one out? No. Really? Why not? I really want to get the prize. Okay. I'll just be over here if you need me. Let's split those evenly. No, I want the prize to myself. How about I hold your basket, give it to you when you're up there, and then you can grab them without falling again. Okay, but don't do anything with my basket. And okay, that's good. Okay, ooh, there's some over there. I'll get them. I hear screams. I heard you screaming. Is everything all right? Yeah, it is. Good. Ooh, there's one. Okay, there we go. Ooh, there's one here. And, Miss! Oh, what happened this time? What's wrong? Oh, I thought I saw a snake. Well, maybe get out of the waters then. Good idea. Okay, all done with the bathroom. And you stole my stuff. No, I didn't. Some other girl did. Well, then who? The girl with the orangish hair, I think. Yeah. Fine. I guess I'll just have to earn more. Wait, come back. Ugh, what? I'll give you some of mine. No, I'll get them myself. Fine. Only 4? Yeah, I don't have that many. I at least want to keep some. Fine. Miss. Ugh. What? She, the girl with the orange hair, stole all of my things. No, I didn't. No, you did. I dropped them on that mountain thing, and you grabbed them. Oh, wait, I did do that. I didn't know those were yours. I thought she put them there. Why would you drop them? I was trying to grab them, and I dropped my basket, and it fell on the floor with all of the things on the mountain, and then I really needed to use the bathroom, so I ran, and you stole them. Sorry? You can have some of these if you want. Thank you. Okay, I'm done collecting. Okay, now where is he? I'm back.